Do not forget you're dealing with the best in the world at what I do. Do you understand what I'm saying to you right now? Or you can shut up if that, nobody cares. So as I was saying, what'd you say to me? What'd you say to me? You said I suck? I don't suck. Chicago. Yeah, I don't live in Chicago, you know why? Because the whole state of Illinois stinks. The whole state of Illinois stinks and Chicago is the anus. That guy right there is booing me.
On the list.
You just made the list of Jericho, pal. Fat dude in row 6, right there. If you don't watch it, I'll put all of you on the list of Jericho, you understand me? Huh? You understand that, you bunch of stupid idiots? Chicago, that's it. I'm out of here. This is enough. I'm leaving right now. But first, you know what? I'm not going to leave without giving you something that I know you want, man. Oh, yeah. I'm going to give you what you want, Chicago. I'm going to give you what you need, Angus. Right now, I'm going to give you the gift of Jericho.